Welcome back, Gearheads. Today we have an absolute monster, the 2025 Ferrari 812 dot. This is Ferrari's last naturally aspirated V12 before hybridization takes over, making it a future legend. Ferrari has given the 812 an even more aerodynamic sculpted design. The front has massive air intakes to keep that V12 cool, while the sleek LED headlights give it a menacing look. On the side, we see bold curves, massive air vents, and lightweight 21-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires. And at the back, a quad exhaust system, a massive diffuser, and an active rear wing that keeps it glued to the road. Ferrari nailed the balance between aggression and elegance. Under the hood, it packs a 6.5 LV12, pushing out a jaw-dropping 830 horsepower and 690 M of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 MF'd in just 2.7 seconds and boasts a top speed of over 211 AMFs. Ferrari has fine-tuned everything, making it one of the most thrilling Grand Tours on the market. Step inside and it's all driver themework luxury. You get Alcantara and carbon fiber everywhere, stitched to perfection. The steering wheel is straight out of an F1 car, with integrated controls for drive modes, lights, and even turn signals. The new fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, and there's an updated infotainment system, a rare convenience in Ferrari's driver-first approach. The passenger side display lets your co-pilot feel the thrill, showing speed, RPMs, and navigation. Now, let's be real. This isn't a Rolls-Royce, but for a Super GT, the 812 is surprisingly comfortable. The bucket seats hug you perfectly, offering solid support on spirited drives. Ferrari has also improved the adaptive suspension, making it softer in comfort mode for long journeys while keeping it razor sharp in race mode. Road noise? Well, you'll hear that V12 singing. But that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. This is where the 812 dominates. Ferrari's side-slip Control 7 and rear wheel steering give it insane cornering ability, making this V12 Grand Tourer feel nimble like a mid-engine supercar. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, delivering instant shifts. And that naturally aspirated V12, no turbo lag, just pure linear power all the way to a 9,500 RPM redline. The acceleration feels like a roller coaster, relentless and thrilling. The 2025 Ferrari 812 is a masterpiece. It's Ferrari's last pure V12 without electrification, making it an instant collector's dream. It blends raw power, jaw-dropping design, and surprising comfort, making it one of the best GT supercars ever made. If you love naturally aspirated V12s, this is the one to get before they become history. Ferrari has given us one last symphony of speed, power, and passion. What do you think about the 2025 Ferrari 812? Would you take it over a hybrid Ferrari? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic reviews.